I quite like to come to the library because sometimes I just need some peace and quiet, and the atmosphere here is quite good. I just browse books, sit quietly in a corner just to recharge myself. It works brilliantly for me. I applied for a lasting power of attorney because I got to know about this when I was working as a dementia service manager many years ago, and my mother was aging. She lives with me, and then I thought that while she still has her mental faculties intact, let's get the document done because we never know when it comes in use. And I'm glad I got it done in the right time, because about 3 months after that she had a stroke and now she has dementia. But it empowers me to take a lot of decisions on her behalf in her best interest. My mother has a very good sense of humor still, and off and on she comes up with very witty retorts, and it still amazes us. If I didn't have a lasting power of attorney in place, I actually shudder to think what would have happened, because my mother suddenly got a stroke. She was in hospital. She felt happier because she felt heard, and also her recovery process was more acceptable to her and to me as well. I found the process very easy. The reason I'm setting up the lasting power of attorney with my husband is that I realized how powerful a document in place it is. My attorney is my husband. I am his attorney, and I have 2 daughters. They are our replacement attorneys. I would say that do it when everything is fine in your life. It is so useful, so empowering. If crisis hits, then you are fully ready to brace it.